Forget how sharp this car is. Look at all this, but right now we've got roof racks. So check these out. These are looking pretty stinking good. All the links to everything are below on this car. This car is like decked out. Big time. Yeah. I got my custom bug screen in there. I'll put videos and links for videos on how to do that. But look at, it's in action already. Check it out. All this stuff. All these two leaves, two small leaves that are going into the radiator back there. All right, so I'm going to show you a few things. This is obviously my Model 3, but we're going to be installing these on a Juniper. But I just wanted to get this out of the way right now until my friend gets over here with the Juniper. And no, the Juniper and Model 3 are not interchangeable. These don't fit exactly right, but it's close enough that we can take a look at it. When we do the install, the most important thing is going to be to put these on correctly. This is what holds it down to the car. It goes underneath the glass roof here. And if you do this wrong, you could crack your top, okay? You could crack the roof of your car. That's not cool. Can it be replaced? Sure, it can be replaced. People crack these kind of all the time, but you don't want to be doing that. So let me show you some basics. Okay, so these rubber mounting pads tell you really where they go. Here is the front of your car, and this is L1, left side, front wheel. So this one goes here, this one here, L2, the other side obviously R1, R2. Now where you put these left to right, check this out. Tesla already took care of this for you. I'm hoping you can see that little arrow and the little line. So that is where these are going to be mounted. Same thing back here. Now again, this is the Model 3, so the mounting places are going to be different on this car than they will on the Juniper. Now this is going to get mounted on this side of this rubber seal, so it's not contacting the glass directly. What we first want to do though is get some tape in here just to protect this so we don't mess the finish up. Okay, let's mount this guy in here. Okay, now we've got it in there, and you can tell it doesn't want to go past actually this line here, and obviously we've got the edge of the window here too. It doesn't want to go past that. So now you know you're in the right spot. And from there, really, you put this guy on there. Okay, now we just put this down over it. Easier to do with two people. And again, this kit isn't for this car, so things aren't lining up perfectly. This isn't fitting this molding exactly the way it should. You'll see it better when we put it on the Juniper. Then we put one of these down on it. All right, a couple things here. One, for example, this bolt here goes down there nicely. You can still use the Allen wrench, no problem. Don't use the Allen wrench like this. It's way too easy to over torque. Just use it like this and snug it. All right, let's take a look at some things. I've got the cap on this end, obviously, but with the cap off, here's the lock, and we can see what it does here. It will actually turn this latch inside here and lock this down into the car so that it can't be taken off. Get this gap here with the arrow, because the latch underneath there, which works with this key, locks in to that gap on the other side. So now, oh, I had it locked. I just unlocked it. All right, now let me lock it back up. Okay, so now I can't turn this. It's locked in. So that is the other reason why not to completely torque this thing down. You know, snug it down and stop, because once you lock it, this bolt is not going to come off. This nut's not going to come off of the top. It's not going to come like loosening up off. Just make sure you lock this. And then we'll put the cap back on. Oh, So yeah, interesting. On this side though, this you can't use this anymore. You could use just some pliers on it, but you've got this little tool here which you can use as a wrench. But again, this will give you probably way too much torque. So I just had that finger tight before. Let me feel this. Yeah, that's not really that much tighter. So I just give it like a half a turn, again, just to get this gap lined up with this. And then I'll lock it down. Test it. Yeah, won't go anywhere.